Now we have done with the installation of the program, and in this video we will talk about the configuration of the settings in the Sensitiv Imago software. So let's go through the options. We will cover two options. First option is settings of the Sensitiv Imago software right after the installation. And the second option is how you configure your system when you start your day with Sensitiv Imago Complex. Now let's talk about how you do the settings after the installation of the program. First of all, you click on the Sensitiv Imago live stream icon on the desktop, and you will see the entry menu live stream. Through this window you will be entering different areas in Sensitiv Imago. First of all, let's cover what you see here from right to left. First of all, this is the information about the program. Next, settings. We will cover that in detail just in a minute. Then two inactive options. They are inactive because they are targeted for connection of the external devices to Sensitiv Imago. The next one is the card file or entry to the main working area in Sensitiv Imago. It looks like this. The next button is the possibility to create a new patient's profile. And the next one is leaving the program. By clicking on that, you will turn off the program. Now, let's get back to the Sensitiv Imago program. And from here, we will cover in detail the settings. By clicking on the settings button, you will see a window like this. Here you will see 5 tabs. The first tab is Systemic, then Archive, Livestream, Databases and Device. Let's cover Systemic, the first window. Here you will see the configuration of the geographical settings. Country, right now we're in Czech Republic, region Prague and city Prague. For you this will be something different, or if you will be moving with Sensitiv Imago to another location, you will have to do the settings to renew them. This option is for you to choose which text editor you are going to use in your computer. Microsoft Word or OpenOffice. Through this, Sensitiv Imago will be able to render certain documents, certain conclusions that you will be able to edit then in the program of your choice. We would like to draw your attention that both OpenOffice and Microsoft should be a version no older than 2007. Here, by clicking on Administrator, we have to input the password that we created on the stage of installation. For us it is 12345. Then you have to confirm by clicking on OK. Now we can continue the work. The next tab, Archive. We leave everything here by default. Here we recommend to do the settings like this under the Livestream tab. This will configure your program so that it is user-friendly for the beginning user. Under the next tab, Databases, you're interested in going into this top right button, and by clicking on that you will see two windows. In the upper window you will see the functions that are active right now in the Sensitiv Imago, and in the window down below you will see those that are inactive. To activate something from the window down below, you check mark the functions that you would like to activate. Then you click on this plus button. Then you click on Accept Changes, then OK. And those functions have been added to the active functions that you're using. Or vice versa, if at some point you would like to delete some of the functions from the active area, you will check mark this once, and you will click on the Delete button and click OK. By that, you will be able to configure which functions you would like to work with in your active Sensitiv Imago area. Under the Device tab, we recommend for you to uncheck these two options there and to set the volume control on the position 3 and click OK. By that, you save all of these settings. Now you can leave the program. So this is how we have done the first time installation of the Sensitiv Imago program right after the installation of the program. Each day, when you will start your work with Sensitiv Imago, you will click on the Sensitiv Imago Livestream button and you will go to the Settings button, and under the Systemic, you will check if the geographic information corresponds to where you are right now, and you will have to input your administrator password. This is what you do in the beginning of the day. Okay, by now, we have done the connection of the two elements of the Sensitiv Imago complex, your personal computer and the Sensitiv Imago equipment. And now, in order for us to connect operator and patient, we have to place your Sensitiv Imago complex in the working environment.